Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called product of array expect self. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such the answer of I is equal to the product of all elements of nums expects nums of I, expect of the nums. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in of n time and without using the division operation. Okay, so let's see how can we do this. So first of all, I guess we need to think about some concepts. Let me just delete that. Again, I need to refresh. Sometimes the mirror has this problem. Delete. Yeah. Okay, so for this example, let's just look at let's just take an array and let's talk about it. Like, so let's say we have array of 4, 5, 1 and 8 and 2 and 10 and 6. Okay, so this let's just my equal full. So we have this array, and right now what we're trying to do that to find its product for each element. So for example, let's just try to find the product of 4. So we just take all of these arrays of these elements, and it will be 4,800. 4,800. Just like we multiply everything. We just multiply everything. And let's just try to take the other one, which will be 5. So 5 will be this, the left side with the multiplied by the right side. So it will be 3,840. And let's continue to 1, and let's go to 8 because there's something that I want to show you. Let's go to the right side and left side. Okay, so it will be 1,900. The 8, it will be 2,400. There's something here that we can do, is that we can first get the right side and the left side and multiply both of them together. So the solution that coming to my mind, that comes to 2 solutions, because 3 steps. First of all, we get the right side. So for example, it will be like, for example, if we have, it will be 4 multiplied, like just 5 multiplied by 5, like 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 8, I don't know how much that will be because I'm not good at math, but let's just build an array to put all of the right side and build another array to put all of the left side. And after that, we will do, third step is to get the multiplication between both of these arrays. It will equals the all products that we want to expect the specific element that we are in. So this is it. And wait a minute, I will close the window because there is a helicopter. Okay, we are back. So let's start into the code. We said that we have 3 steps. We want to put the right side and the left side, and we just try to, the third step is to multiply them together. So first of all, I just want to get some things. Let n equals nums dot length, because I will use nums dot length a lot, so I don't want to use it over and over. I will say left will equals new array of n, and right also to do the same. And I'll say let result res equals empty array. Or literally, I guess the result, it will be the same thing. This what will be the result. So let's just put the left and the right, and the result will be the left multiplication by the right. So let's just put the left first. The left will equals, first of all, let left will be equals left of 0 will be equals 1, because we start from 1. And I will say for let I equals 1, I less than n, I plus plus. We're starting from the beginning with the left, okay? And for this one, I will just say L left of I will equals nums, because we want to left of I will equals all of the multiplication, so it will be nums of I minus 1 multiplied by multiplied by the previous one. It will be multiplied by, okay, so as we looked here, if we start the left, so it will be 1, and we just have all the other things will be null. So when we start here, this element, it will equals 1 multiplied by 4, so it will be 4. And this one for 20 multiplied by 1, it will be 20 also. 20 multiplied by 8, I don't know how much it will be, and so on and so forth. So is to get the left, it will be left of I equals left of I minus 1 multiplied by left of I minus 1. So nums of I minus 1 multiplied by left of I minus 1. And I will say the right of because right, it will be start from the end, so it will be right of n minus 1 will equals 1. So let's just do the right side. It will be the same as the left, but it will be, first of all, I it will equals n minus 1, n minus 2, because we have the last one, n minus 2, and it will be n is bigger than 0, bigger than or equal 0, and n it will be minus minus, and it will be right of I will equals nums of I, but this one plus, because we start from the other side, multiplied by right of I plus 1. Right now we have the left side and we have the right side. Okay, so let's just put them together. So I will just make another loop. So for another for loop for let I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and for each one I will do result of this I will equals left of this I multiplied by r my right of this I, and I will return result. That's it. Return this, no this. Voila. Okay, so let's just talk about this one. So you have this one, as we said before in the example, that you have the right side and you have the left side. So what you want to do is that, first of all, we get all the right side and all of the left side, and after that we start to multiply the right side and the left side together, so to get for each number. And for example, the left side will equals for each one it will equals the previous one multiplied by the number, because if you see something, 1 will equals 5 multiplied by 4, what we'll have here. and you will see right now 20. 5 equals 4 multiplied by 1, it will be 4. 8, it will equals have all of these multiplied by each other. So the right value, or the right array of 8, it will be in the index of array of 8 on the right, and sorry, this is the left, all of that to the left value of 8, it will be the index of 8 in the left array, and the same it will be in the right. So that's it for this video. I hope my solution was quite good. I hope my solution was quite easy to be understood. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problems.